is Dark Web Tools, and what I do is I bring to you different updates on hacking and how to make money online. However, that wasn't much of your time. This is an application called Bank Receipt Creator. The app is used for creating bank receipts to send to clients as proof. You can use this very application here. If you have something you want to really get urgently and you don't have funds, maybe you know the person, you can create this proof and send to the person. And it has also have other sites you can use this app. They don't need to verify your proof and they will deliver your orders. Meanwhile, if you're just joining me, just make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dark Web Tools, okay, and then turn on the notification bell, so whenever the app is tools is updated or any video is updated, you can get the notification. Yeah, this is the application. All you do is just simply launch the app. It does not have any login. Yeah, there's the bank receipt creator. You click on continue. I'm gonna show you the features of the app. You can just enter any username here. I will be entering David as a username. Okay, then you click on continue. For some time now I've not been dropping video. I've been seriously busy. Okay, read the illustrations. You choose any bank from the banks available. Edit receipts to your choice on the next page, then screenshot and send to victim as payment proof. I'm giving bonus on this app. Okay, this app has been on my store, but it was updated. Right now you can add other banks and other this thing. As you can see, bank receipts. These are the sites. Okay, to get the site, you click on this store sign below to get some site that you can bank with the app. You can use this receipt, fake receipt on, and they will deliver it just to you. Okay, I will be hiding this just to avoid YouTube dropping the video. Okay, and can I just show you how it works? Okay, let me use OP for example. If you have not, if you're just joining my channel, you can still go back and watch other videos. I still have other video which are updated. As you can see, this is an OP proof of payment. What you need to do, you just edit. Let's say you're making payment of 20,000 to somebody. Okay, zero fee. Look at the date. You don't need to set any date. The date is as usual, the date and time when I'm making the video. This is when it is. So you change your bank name. Let's say as I was using David as name. Let's say David Shegun, okay, as a bank name. Okay, then you put your account number. Yeah, let's say I'm using a reference number. Okay, make sure you just know how this 10-digit number. Sorry, this part supposed to be bank name. Let's say I'm paying for paying with OP. Okay, because you're creating an OP receipt, so definitely your payment should be from OP, not using another bank. And the bank name is David. And I trust you guys. You can also use this very app if you have something you want to get and this person didn't know you. You can just create a receipt here and send to them. When you have the money, you pay them and tell them that it was refunded. Yeah, they clean how to make more money. Okay, as you can see, I just created it. Oh wealth, you just put the same amount. This is from oh wealth. Okay, now this is what something. So after creating it, what you just do simply this, you just screenshot it. You see, as you can see right here, you have your app. You have the proof. What you do is to just send it to your client. Okay.
For more hacks and tutorials, subscribe and hit that notification bell to be updated when we post a new video. Thanks for watching.